Set up your Amazon Smart Thermostat. Guided illustrated directions in the Alexa app help you set up your smart thermostat. Before setup, download or update the Alexa app in your mobile device app store. On your mobile device, open the Alexa app. Open More and select Add a device. Under All Devices, select Thermostat. Under What brand is your thermostat, select Amazon. Under Has your thermostat already been installed on the wall, select No for guided instructions in the app on how to connect the wiring and install your thermostat. Select Yes for instructions in the app on how to connect your thermostat to Wi-Fi and to Alexa. After installing your thermostat, use Alexa and the Alexa app to set and operate it.